What's up, y'all people? I'm back with another awesome Mafia City video. And guys, in past couple of days, a lot of people are messaging me and asking me if the Renegade has been nerfed, because they have noticed that their kills in terms of Renegades has been reduced. And this is the question, guys, I'm getting a lot. So in this video I'm going to answer the question that a lot of people are asking. And another thing, guys, that I want to talk about in this video is about the second Renegade slot, because guys, there is a huge difference between first slot and the second slot in terms of Renegade. So we are going to talk about this in detail. This video is going to be very important, so make sure to watch this video until the end. And if you are new to this channel, then make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City videos. Now guys, let's get started. The first thing I want to make clear is that, guys, the Renegades are not being nerfed. The people that are facing that their damage of the Renegades has been decreased, they are getting less kills, is just because of some kind of glitch, and the glitch has been resolved. Now all of you guys are going to get the same kills as before. As I talk about this in my previous video, is that they are not going to nerf Renegades right now, because they are pushing a lot of new Renegades, so there is no point for them to nerf the Renegades right now when they are trying to sell more Renegades. In the future, guys, later they are going to nerf it to make the game more balanced, because as for now Renegades are very overpowered, and it's the right time to take advantage of this new thing. So I recommend you, all of you, to focus on your Renegades. Now guys, the next thing that I want to talk about is the second slot Renegades. Now let's quickly go in the investment and the op strengthening too. As for now, I have not unlocked this because I don't have resources. I need to collect them and then I'm going to unlock this. Now guys, there it's clearly mentioned is that the skill damage of the Renegade selected for this slot is going to be reduced. So that means whatever Renegades you are going to use in the second slot is going to do a less damage compared to if the same Renegades you are going to use in the first slot. It has nothing to do with Renegades, guys. I am going to make this clear. Whatever Renegades that you are going to use in the second slot, his damage is going to be less compared to the Renegade that you are going to use in the first slot. Now I'm going to give you an example. Lan Queen, or whatever her name is, this is the Renegades most of us are using, and with this Renegade, if we are going to use her in the first slot, she's going to do the same damage as we have seen before, like the normally. But guys, the same Renegade, if we are going to use in the second slot, she's going to do a lot less damage compared to if we are going to use in the first slot. So this is the thing that I want to make clear about this, guys. I'm going to make a special video on what Renegades you need to use on first slot and what Renegade you need to use on second slot. As for now, guys, whatever Renegades you have the most developed, make sure to use that in the first slot, and on second slot, guys, use the Renegade that you think is less stronger than your first Renegade. So this is how I'm going to recommend all of you now to use your Renegades. First slot, use your strongest Renegade, and second slot, whatever Renegade you have after the first one, use it, guys. And there is a special video that I wanted to make on this, is going to be what kind of Renegades you are going to use on the first, what kind of Renegades you are going to use on the second, guys. It's going to help you a lot in attack and defense both. So that video is going to come in future, so make sure turn on the bell icon notification so that whenever I'm going to upload a video, you're all going to get the notifications for this. As for now, guys, I have made clear that no Renegades has been nerfed. The second slot only, guys, the second slot Renegades damage is going to be less than the first one. So I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, then make sure to give this video a like, share this video with all of your friends, subscribe to this channel, turn on bell icon notification, and I'll be back with another awesome, fun, informative Mafia City video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.